This short film, titled Travel Deep Inside a Leaf, is licensed under Creative Commons by the California Academy of Sciences. Enjoy this educational narration. We are approaching a redwood tree. To animate a scientifically accurate leaf, artists studied the texture of a redwood leaf specimen on a glass slide at high resolution. They even counted the stomata and used that exact count for this film. As we approach a single stoma, we are now on a millimeter scale. Entering the interior of the leaf, we see many individual palisade cells. These cells are where photosynthesis takes place, and they are translucent to allow sunlight to enter. Visible in this scene is all the organelles inside the cells. That faint yellow spiderweb structure of the cytoskeleton provides structure and support to the cell. You are about to enter a chloroplast. Inside, you see membranous structures called thylakoids. This is where the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis take place to produce ATP, the cell's energy carrier molecule. The time scale has changed. The molecules are shown moving 1 million times slower than in real life. The green and blue bush-like structures are photosystems, clusters of proteins that absorb light energy from the sun and help convert it into the chemical energy that's stored in the bonds of the energy ATP. The small wigglies are ATP molecules. Living things store energy in the bonds of the ATP molecules and then use that energy to conduct all the processes of life. This animation is a model, and it has its strengths and limitations. In order to model something well, visual artists have to make decisions about what to represent and how best to do so. What's present in this model and what's intentionally missing or altered. Find out by visiting the link in the description below. Thank you, California Academy of Sciences. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next science video.